Dear students, today we are going to discuss about capacitors. In the capacitors, first we should know one conductor. Every conductor will have capacity of storing charge. What is meant by capacity? Capacity means it is the ability of storing charge. For example, here is a spherical conductor. Spherical conductor means a metal. Its radius is a r. And if we supply charge on that surface, charge will be accumulated. Suppose we have given charge Q, it will get potential, electric potential V. Just this we can compare with one container in which if we pour water, some amount of water, we will get water will occupy space and height will arise. This height means what? If we pour more water, height is also increasing. With the amount of water, height increases. So amount of water and height both are proportional. More amount of water if you take, more height will be there. Similarly, if you pour more charge on the conductor, it will get more potential V. If you give here less charge, the potential will be less. So what do you mean by meaning of the potential actually? Potential means it is a work to be done if you want to take 1 coulomb charge from infinite to surface. Infinite place से सरफेस को 1 कूलम चार्ज को ले जाने में हम लोग से कितना वर्क करना पड़ता, वो वर्क ही वहाँ का पोटेंशियल माना जाता है. यह पोटेंशियल V है, मतलब 1 कूलम चार्ज को इन्फिनिट डिस्टेंस से वो सरफेस को ले जाने के लिए अगर ले जाना चाहे तो ऑलरेडी सम चार्ज इज देयर, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट चार्ज ओनली इट गॉट पोटेंशियल V. नाउ वन मोर 1 coulomb charge, unit charge, we want to take there. For that we have to do some work. Why we should do work? Because when 1 coulomb charge is being taken there, that already present charge positive, it will repel this 1 coulomb charge. We have to overcome that repulsion force while taking 1 coulomb charge there. So to overcome that repulsion force, we should apply force. That means when 1 coulomb charge is being taken there, we are applying force to overcome the repulsive force of that charge. And we are making displacement. So that is why we are doing work. So how much work we are doing in taking this 1 coulomb charge to that surface? That is called potential of the surface. So that's why potential means it is the work done in taking 1 coulomb charge there. So in that way it is getting potential V because of the presence of charge Q. So charge Q present रहने से उसको potential V मिल गया. Then its capacity is defined like this, ratio of charge to potential. Then capacity is defined ratio of charge to potential ना. Q चार्ज देने से उसको पोटेंशियल V मिला, ये दो का रेशियो ही कैपेसिटी. कैपेसिटी यूनिट क्या है? फैरेड. 1 farad means 1 coulomb per 1 volt. Charge is in coulombs, potential difference is in volt. That means if there is a need of 1 coulomb charge देने से ये सरफेस पर पोटेंशियल 1 volt बना तो उसका कैपेसिटी 1 farad माना जाएगा. सो इसका कैपेसिटी 1 farad कब माना जाएगा? 1 coulomb चार्ज देने से उसका पोटेंशियल 1 volt बना तो उसका कैपेसिटी 1 farad माना जाएगा. ये 1 farad का डेफिनेशन. नेक्स्ट, anyhow this conductor is having capacity, means what? It is having some ability of storing charge. Now one point will arise here. Can we supply more and more charge on the surface? Of course, if you are giving more charge, potential also increases. Both are proportional. Why? Because potential, their formula is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by radius of the conductor. So potential and charge are directly proportional. Means what? If you supply more charge, then its potential also increases. Can we supply charge to infinite value? We cannot supply, because when charge is given high value here, because of the presence of high value of charge, the electric field will be established on here because of the charge. That electric field will be strong enough to dissociate the surrounding air medium into ions. सराउंडिंग मीडियम को आयन्स में डिसोसिएट कर सकता, उतना स्ट्रांग इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बन गया तो वो स्ट्रांग इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के कारण सराउंडिंग मीडियम आयनाइज हो जाके वो कंडक्टिंग पाथ बन जाता. कंडक्टिंग पाथ बन गया तो यहाँ का चार्ज भी डिस्चार्ज होना स्टार्ट करता. मीन्स व्हाट? किस रेट से हम लोग चार्ज देते उसी रेट से चार्ज चले जाते रहता. मतलब क्या? चार्ज कैन नॉट बी इंक्रीज देयर टू इनफाइनाइट वैल्यू. सो दैट इज वाई देयर इज लिमिट. दैट इज वाई how much charge we can give there is limit is there. But anyhow, it is having some ability of storing charge. That ability is called capacity. That capacity mathematically is defined like this. It is defined as the ratio of charge to potential. So, at one point we have to remember, if you are giving more charge, it is getting more potential. How can you tell if you are supplying more charge, it is getting more potential? Because if the charge present is there more, in taking 1 coulomb charge there, we have to do more work because the repulsion force will be more. To overcome that repulsion, we have to apply more force. Then we are applying more force in taking 1 coulomb charge and we are doing work. That means what? That work will be more. That means potential is there more. That work only potential. In taking 1 coulomb charge, how much work we have to do there? To take 1 coulomb charge there, how much work we have to do? That is called potential of the surface. So that's why potential is nothing but it is the work done in taking 1 coulomb charge. If you are doing more work, that means potential there is more. More work when it will be done, if more charge is present there, more repulsion force. To overcome that more repulsion force, we have to apply more force while taking 1 coulomb charge. That means force we are applying more means what? We are doing more work. That means the potential is greater. So that is why if charge is more, their potential will be more. Even by formula also we can tell potential formula is 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by r in case of that spherical conducting body. So potential is direct proportional to charge. In that way, then capacity is defined on the ratio of charge to potential. So this is the definition. We know every conductor has ability of storing some charge. Means what? Every conductor has some capacity of storing charge. But how to increase its capacity of storing charge? There is a principle is there. According to principle, we can increase its ability of storing charge. Then that prepared device by using that principle is called capacitor. So now that principle is like this. First of all, imagine there is a conductor. Its name is A. We have given some positive charge. Imagine that charge is say Q. Because of the Q charge is given, it gets potential V. Then its capacity is defined as Q divided by V. Now it has a stored charge Q and more charge we cannot give because for giving the charge there is a limit. If you give more charge by which it will get a strong electric field, and because of the strong electric field surrounding medium will act as a conducting path, then charge will undergo discharge away. Means what? Charge cannot remain there. It will be discharged because surrounding medium will act as a conducting medium because of the strong electric field of the charge. So that's why there is a limit to maximum charge. Anyhow, maximum charge we have given by which it has got the potential V, so its capacity C is Q by V. Now how to increase its capacity? For that the principle is like this. We have to place nearby one more plate which is called B, and this plate B is exactly identical to plate A in size and shape. Both are made of conducting material, metals only, and this is called B material. But it's neutral, we have not charged B material. Just simply we have to keep beside A. Beside A, nearby A, if we keep that one, then what happens? Because of the induction within the conductor B, there are two kinds of charges. In every body there are two kinds of charges, positive and negative. Those positive and negative will get separated because of the influence of this positive charge. In this body, negative charge will come to this surface and positive charge will come to this surface. In that way, charges are separated because of the influence of positive charge of the metal plate A, within the charge inside the B will get separated like this. This separation of the charges because of the influence of charge of another body is called induction. And now what happens? This negative charge, it reduces the potential of A, and positive charge will increase the potential. So नेगेटिव चार्ज के कारण पोटेंशियल यहाँ इसका पोटेंशियल कम होता, लेकिन पॉजिटिव चार्ज के कारण पोटेंशियल बढ़ना है. क्यों कम होता नेगेटिव चार्ज के कारण इसका पोटेंशियल क्यों कम होता? बिकॉज देख, पोटेंशियल का मतलब क्या? 1 कूलम चार्ज को प्लेट ए तरफ ले आते समय कितना वर्क करना पड़ता, वो वर्क ही वहाँ का पोटेंशियल माना जाता. लेकिन 1 कूलम चार्ज को ले आते समय ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज 1 कूलम को रेपल कर सकता, लेकिन नेगेटिव चार्ज क्या करता? अट्रैक्ट करता. रिजल्टेंटली वो रेपल्शन फोर्स कम रहता. रेपल्शन फोर्स कम रहने से वी ऑल्सो शुड अप्लाई लेस फोर्स and we are doing less work. That means potential is less. So potential is nothing but what the work we are doing in carrying 1 coulomb charge. But when 1 coulomb charge is being carried there, generally this positive charge will repel. For that repulsion to overcome, we have to apply force. But at nearby negative charge is there, it will attract. So that is why this time repulsion force will be less. That's why repulsion force, whenever it is less, we have to apply more force. we have to apply less force accordingly. Less force is applied, and that means we are doing less work, that means potential is less. So that is why presence of negative charge will reduce the potential of A, and presence of positive charge will increase the potential of A. But in this positive negative, which is closer, negative is closer. That's why reduction is more of the plate A's potential. So plate A's potential resultantly will decrease. When potential is decreased, capacity and potential are inversely proportional. When potential is decreased, capacity will increase. So this is one step. In second step, what you can do further to increase capacity, और कैपेसिटी बढ़ाने के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं, इसे अर्थ कनेक्शन कर देना. अर्थ कनेक्शन कर दिया तो अर्थ में से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आके ये फ्री चार्ज है ना, पॉजिटिव चार्ज को फ्री चार्ज बोलते हैं ना, वो फ्री चार्ज न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाएगा. न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाने से अभी क्या केवल ये प्लेट है जिस पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज था और बी प्लेट है जिस पर केवल नेगेटिव चार्ज है. इस तरह ये प्लस क्यू, ये माइनस क्यू, ऐसा सिस्टम बन जाएगा. इसमें क्या है, ओनली नेगेटिव चार्ज इज देयर विच विल ट्राई टू रिड्यूस द पोटेंशियल. सो पॉजिटिव चार्ज तो नहीं है जिसका पोटेंशियल बढ़ाने वाला, केवल नेगेटिव चार्ज है इसका पोटेंशियल कम करने वाला ही. दैट्स रिजल्टेंटली दिस टाइम कैपेसिटी विल बी फर्दर इंक्रीज बिकॉज पोटेंशियल इज फर्दर रिड्यूस्ड. यहाँ भी पोटेंशियल रिड्यूस हुआ था, लेकिन नेगेटिव चार्ज रिड्यूस कर रहा था पोटेंशियल, पॉजिटिव चार्ज इंक्रीज कर रहा था. लेकिन नेगेटिव चार्ज का इफेक्ट ज़्यादा था, रिजल्ट इसका पोटेंशियल कम हुआ था. कम होने से पोटेंशियल कम हुआ तो कैपेसिटी बढ़ गया था. लेकिन यहाँ नेगेटिव चार्ज ही है सिर्फ, विच विल ट्राई टू रिड्यूस इट्स पोटेंशियल. दैट्स पोटेंशियल ग्रेटरली रिड्यूस होता है. इसका पोटेंशियल ग्रेटरली रिड्यूस होने से कैपेसिटी विल इंक्रीज ग्रेटरली. सो दैट इज वाई, because capacity and potential are inversely proportional. That's why capacity is further increased. Means what, it can store more charge this time. So in that way, if you prepare, then the system is called capacitor. So capacitor बनाने के लिए क्या चाहिए, कम से कम 2 मेटल प्लेट्स चाहिए, आइडेंटिकल मेटल प्लेट्स. एक पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है, एक पर केवल नेगेटिव चार्ज होता, नियर बाई रहते, without any connection between them. Then this system is called capacitor. It will have large ability of storing charge. So this is called capacitor. If the plates are parallel plate as shown like this, then it is called parallel plate capacitor. If the plates are spherical shape like this, then this is A, this is B, concentric spheres, then that is called spherical capacitor. If the plates are cylindrical shape like this, cylindrical shape like this, if the plates are cylindrical shape, this is plate A, this is plate B, then the capacitor is called cylindrical capacitor. In that way, there are 3 kinds of capacitors. But in our syllabus, we have only parallel plate capacitor. So this is the principle of capacitor. So, okay.